Look at that. Good morning in the afternoon. How are we? Another day, another van. So, first things first, before we get into something a bit cool. How are we, Mr. John?
Brilliant, thank you, mate. Brilliant. Bendigedig.
What?
Bendigedig.
What's that? Huh?
Brilliant.
In
Polish. Spanish. Whatever language you want to be.
something-ish. So what we up to?
Fitting the gear link edge. Auto to manual conversion. Nice brand new flywheel.
Brand new.
Brand new bushes. Brand new coolant pipe. Brand new.
John's favourite thing to fit.
Yeah. And yeah, somebody's going to do some heavy lifting momentarily. Put the gearbox back in.
That sounds like a you and I problem.
And then she will be Manuel.
Manuel. So that is John's job, along other things, but we'll look at that in a minute. Mr. Jai, how are we?
Good, thank you. Try put leaky pump back together.
That was the one from the last video.
Yes.
So you can probably remember that pump that I was rebuilding in the last video. Well, he's now fitting it. So that's what they're up to. And as you can see, there's a green van sat here. You guys probably recognise this. This is John's van. That van there. That is this. John's pride and joy. Lovely. We will get John to show us this a little bit later on when he's doing what he needs to do on it. It's nice to see it again. I haven't seen it in a while. Nice fan. Since the last time I picked the camera up, I have done a few bits and bobs. I have cut these. I actually cut these, I think it was yesterday. That'll be going over there. Add a little bit of strength in, one for each side. And then there's these plates, which are the ones that are going to be going up there, because that bit isn't actually plated off yet. So they'll be going up in there and getting welded in both sides. I cut them yesterday. That's going to be my my little job, is to finish this lot off, because I didn't quite get a chance to do it yesterday. So I'm going to get that done, and then we can have a little watch and see what John's getting up to on this. And maybe we can make it go up and down, because it's cool. Anyway, I'm going to get a few more bits done. I'll pick a camera up in a second once we're a little... I don't know, but that innocent face is fucking telling me different.
Oh, no, fucking me, bud. Or John. You know like that?
No? No. Oh, okay. Like that, is it? Well, I'm going to put this camera down and resolve this problem, so I'll see you in a sec. Well, here's something. Gearbox going in. And we can watch these two.
Struggling. Yeah. No, it's not going to go in.
Yeah. So that's how it works. The camera comes out, they struggle.
Oh God, it's hard for being 30. Oh. So much as yesterday, isn't it? Yep. In. Ta-da! Easy peasy.
There you go, box is in.
Why do you want 40?
You'd have it like that all the time. I'm going to be retired by then anyway.
So there you go, gearbox in. John just needs to do a tiny bit of rebuilding. And then that'll be done. Guys, we're not going to talk about this.
Yeah. Maybe later.
We'll check back in with Di in a little bit. And now I'm a little bit more set up with stuff that's not going to chuck little bits of metal over there. I don't know how you can actually see that. Yeah, I need to cut that tiny little slither off there. That is my plan, and I'm going to stick to it. You doing that? Did you not need it? Oh. So, cut a little slit so I can put that plate in there, and that fits in there lovely. Now all I need to do is repeat on this side. So you can see the mark I've got. There you go, you can see the mark I've got to follow, and then that plate will fit up in there. Then we'll go wind the boys up, so wish me luck. So, by the time you're seeing this is a little bit late, but yesterday was Mr. John's birthday. And look what we bought him. A nice cake.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Why did I have the girl one?
We just thought it would fit to it. Clean the knife.
Ah!
Fool!
Ah!
That's just all on you on the cake.
Ah, my finger burnt and then that went... Look.
You realise what that torch is?
Yeah, I do now, yeah. There's your cake. Di, you can have the other good bet.
You go smash one, huh?
Yeah, I fucked the other one up.
Because it's big as well.
Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday.
Anyway, we're going to eat cake soon a bit. Right, well, we've had the birthday cake and a coffee. Now back to doing things. They're just outside a minute. John's almost finished that. Di's having a nightmare with that. But I have managed to do the slit there. And I have cut the little pieces for it. And they fit up there nicely. There's that one. So you can probably see, yeah, you can on this one. There's a bunch of blue dots. That's where I need to drill for the spot welds. So that we can get that spot welded and welded properly in there. So I'm going to go through and just drill all these holes basically, which should be fun. There's them four all done. Turns out when you use a drill bit that isn't blunt, actually goes a lot quicker. So I can't remember what I done with the other one of these for the other side. So I'm gonna go cut me a new one for that side. That's my plan. And while we're about, let's go see how Mr. Jonathan's doing.
Oh god, you're gonna ruin my day with the camera.
Yeah, boy.
Putting the shaft back in the side now. Shaft. Steering arm. Shock. Run some clutch pipes. Fit some pedals.
Done.
And now have a manual with 2 pedals. And done did it, maybe.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Then you can get on with something extra special cool, which would be really cool to see.
Less yobble. More old man.
You are getting on a bit now.
Yeah.
Bless him. Mr. Di. Okie dokie, Dynamo's busy. So I'm going to carry on cutting this little bit, and then when Di's calmed himself down a little bit, we'll go speak to Di. See you in a bit. Well, it's been a very long time since I picked this camera up again. But, as I said, I have made both of these little plates to go up in there. I have made them now, and I've cut all these down to size. So there's outer and the inner one. That's for both sides. Ground everything back all the way round, ready to be welded. So that's done, but I'm not very good with a welder, so I can't really do that one. But I think majority of it is actually now ready. Just once the boys are less busy. Mr. Dynamo, he is also having the time of his life. This diesel pump that you've seen get rebuilt, in fact, that one, he's not working. So he's putting another one, see if we can get this thing actually running. But he's having an absolute mare. And, oh, he's not there. John's a bit pissed. Because at the moment, he cannot get his clocks to, well, he can get his clocks to work. There's a bit on it that doesn't work. In a minute, I'll get him to have a little bit of a chat. Because there's a few bits and bobs done to this. I don't think this has been on the channel, not properly anyway. So, we'll have a little look at this in a bit. And back again. As you can hear, the van's running. Also put back on the floor. And John has somehow managed to get his clocks working again. How cool is that?
Right then, because it's Christmas, we're gonna go for this one. Ha!
Look at that.
What if I turn it off and leave it back on?
So, Mr. Dye is still not happy.
No. Talk about tomorrow.
Gonna leave that there before Dye starts shouting again. But let's talk about this van, Mr. Johnny's van, the famous logo. Your pride and joy. Your pride and joy. Don't get to see it very often.
Biggest upgrade. She's got a gas strut on the bonnet.
Yep. That's the thing that we're all wondering.
Yeah.
How is your bonnet staying up?
Oh, see. I actually got green washer fluid to go in my green van.
That is the biggest upgrade.
Yeah.
Gas strut, the pollen filter cover. So, what engine?
2.5 TDI.
With
AXE manifold. AXE exhaust turbo with hybrid. Well, exhaust manifold with hybrid turbo. Volvo V70 pump. 260cc injectors. And a big air intake we never finished.
an aircon on hydros, in case you were wondering.
Electric mirrors.
Electric mirrors,
Standard.
all tubbed front and rear. Green paint, and for the people that were wondering, this van and this van do not look the same.
And they're not the same van.
Because people have been saying that this is this van. And it makes John really happy.
Yeah, very happy.
Working clocks. GTI seats?
Yeah, got Mark 5 GTI seats. Wooden dash.
Unlike the wooden dash I had, that's more proper.
Big brakes.
Oh yeah. Big brake kit hidden behind big wheels. Sump, well,
Isn't on the floor.
isn't on the floor, but a subframe. Huh? Oh, there you go. Subframe is completely on the floor. Full rock and roll bed in the back. Oak floor. He's got, well, you can't really see it too well, but there's the accumulators. I think that's what they're called. And there's his batteries. I wonder, yeah, there's his battery box that he custom made. I remember, I think one of the first few times I ever seen John, he was building this thing and it wasn't this colour, it was in his old garage.
The shed.
It was literally in your shed at the back of the garden. That's when I first met you, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was the caliper.
That's right. My caliper exploded. In fact, there's a video of that. Huh?
And your shock.
Did I take a shock as well, did I?
You had no shock.
There you go. And that's how I met John. And now I'm here ruining his life. You're welcome. But there we go. Thought it'd be nice to get this thing actually on video, because I don't think I have until now. Look at that. There's nothing better than a hydro noise, in my opinion.
When you're camping in a monkey field.
Yeah, in a very wobbly field. And the last question, I know people will probably ask, how does it drive? How does it?
Actually, really nice. Till you hit a pot or rock or road. Brilliant. It's got the biggest smile until you hit something.
There you go. John's van. In case you wonder what van that was in the logo, now you know. It's this one.
This one. Bonk.
There you go. That logo, this van. Your van.
Me.
The van. So there we go. I wanted to get that thing on camera, but he usually keeps it tucked away. But there we go. Problem solved. Anyway. Back to having a look at this. Hopefully get this fixed momentarily. See you in a sec. Alright, there we go. We managed to have a little bit more look at this. And you can see those wires and stuff everywhere. And they managed to fix it.
Ta-da!
So this now runs. That now works. And the clocks now work. That's all but done. These two don't look like they're going to cry. Everyone's a happy boy. Also, we did do a giveaway on the cruise control unit, which is over here somewhere. We was doing a giveaway on this cruise control unit, which for me, the video went out yesterday, but for you, it will be like a week ago. In the next video, if the video gets up to the 50 like or 55 mark, like we said, we have had a little discussion, and what we're going to do is we're going to put everybody's name into the hamster ball. Don't ask why we've got that. And then one of these two will be picking your name out, hopefully. And then
My hand doesn't fit. Oh, it does.
Oh, yeah.
you're not that fat.
Ooh.
I said you're not that fat. That was actually a compliment.
You're done with this now. You're gonna do this, and
And then that could potentially be your name. So in the next video, if we reach the number, John's happy now because his screen still works. Anyway, that's enough of that. We're going to get ourselves gone. Today turned out to be an alright day in the end. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.